Welcome to Propel. I'm Martin, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up social media alerts using Propel. Propel's media monitoring tool allows you to track mentions across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, helping you stay on top of your brand or client's media coverage. Let's get started. First, log into your Propel account. Once you're in, head over to the top navigation bar and click on the Monitor tab. Next, select your account and the alert for which you'd like to set up a social alert. Then, click on the Social tab and click the Create Social Listening Alert button. Alternatively, you can also create a new alert by clicking the plus icon. Now give your alert a name. After that, select the account that you want to attach the alert to. You can add pages from platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, depending on where your target audience or important conversations are happening. We highly recommend you mention pages you want Propel to put extra focus on under monitored pages. This will help in avoiding irrelevant coverage. Under blocked pages, enter the URL of the pages you want Propel to skip tracking for mentions. Now, in the Query field, enter the keywords or topics you'd like to track. You can also use Boolean operators to refine your search, ensuring you catch the most relevant mentions. On the right, you can see a quick guide on how to use the Boolean operators correctly. You can click the link in the description to watch the tutorial on how to set up your query correctly, or you can reach out to support anytime you need help with setting up your query. Once you've configured everything, click Save to save and continue editing, or Save and Finish to activate your broadcast monitoring alert. Switch to Graph View to visualize coverage over time. Please keep in mind that unlike online and print monitoring, social monitoring will start tracking mentions from the day the alert has been set up. And that's it. Your social alerts are now set up and ready to go. Propel will keep you informed of any key mentions across the social media pages you've added. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, check out our other tutorials or reach out to our support team. See you in the next video.